All you would need is some cardstock. I have some green and purple right here. If to make it easier, I have these stickers that I found at a craft store. You need some scissors, and you will need magnetic tape. So let's get started. So what I like to do is these I cut up a little different. They are about 2.5 by 1.5 in width, and I love these stickers. You can decorate it as you would like. I found that these would be fun for kids. I think they would really enjoy it. So let's go ahead and pick out this cute trick-or-treat one. And trick-or-treat against the green. I really like that green one. And let's put some candy corn. Does anybody else like candy corn? Am I just one of those weird people who like candy corn? And just to put on just some more of the candy and just decorate. These would be really nice. I'm gonna do these for my kids when they get older and have them themed bookmarks for them to use at school while they read. So I think that will do it. I'm just gonna get one. I don't think that'll fit. And so I'm going to go ahead and put in the magnetic tape on the inside, and I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to lay it flat onto the magnet that's underneath. Once it's laying nice and flat, I go ahead and close it, and there you have it.